Sorry to be delayed. I was in a meeting for some administrative work. Sorry, Mr. Solicitor.
Because may I commit an indiscretion, my lords? My lords, that yes, all of us together, my lords, that marital rape matter, my lords, that may be taken up, my lords, after the Diwali holidays.
My lords have said we'll go in order, my lords. Let it be in turn.
Only a minute. It might take some time.
It will take time, my lords. It's not that simple. It will take.
My lords, it will take
Let it retain its position. We'll see. Let it at least open for a little while. Then we'll see what to do.
Yes,
We'll see what the gamut of the matter is, because we haven't seen the ramifications in terms of what the arguments are, what the issues which we are going to explore are. Let's open it for about 15 minutes, then we'll have a fair picture about what you want to do.
What they are going to argue, what the response is. We just have at least a broad canvas.
My lords have very kindly for about a year and a half been listing it on a very urgent basis. So that seems entirely fair, my lords. We can open it and then understand the
its position. Today, anyway, Jet Airways with Arjikor, Jet Airways may take the rest of the day, so it's not going to be reaching today. We'll see tomorrow when it opens, and then we'll take a call tomorrow instead of doing it right now with some other matters.
Personally, I had some personal difficulty. I have to urgently.
My lords, we'll take at least one day. All of us together, not.
All right, we'll take a call. Let the matter be called out. We'll take a call. No difficulty.
Lord, once again, I'm just pointing out, I've said it before, that my case is different. There is no constitutional challenge. There is a framing of charges under the existing law. That I will make my submissions on that.
But are you arguing the merits of the main matter or no, Ms. Jai?
I am, my lord.
My lord, I am not. What your lordship suggested on a previous date is, let me and them be on the same date together so that you have the benefit of both arguments.
All right.
They're different issues, my lords, but they're connected.
Now,
my lords, just to say that there is an extreme urgency in the marital rape
What we'll do is this. We're not presently adjourning the matter. Let it open. We'll see what the issues are, the broad line of submissions on both sides. Then we'll take a call on whether we can complete the argument.
Yes, my lords. There are two 200-page decisions that are on both sides that are there for the benefits of
We don't want to open the matter right now. We have
Exactly.
something else in hand. Let's see what they have to say in Arjikor. What has happened now, Mr.
Yes,
Solicitor?
this is the last report. So far as, my lord, the task force is concerned, my lord, I have filed an affidavit. They have taken it up, my lord, with utmost seriousness, and they are
On
going.
the first aspect, so you will tell us what has happened in the investigation as well?
My lord, that is the report.
All right, let's see that.
I have given the status report, my lords. It's going on, but whatever is found as of now, your lordships would find it.
The charge sheet has been committee done. The application one of which on your report. And the other investigation is on.
Let's see. We'll just take those dates from you in a moment.
Please, my lords.
Yeah, in a moment, we'll just look at this and then take the
Please,
dates.
my
Yes, yes. Charge sheet is dated 7th October 24, page 2, para 1. Page 2, Roman 2 may kindly be seen, my lord. That would be
Page 2, Roman 2.
Roman 2, my lords.
Yes.
7 is also important.
Page 5, Roman 5, last part, my lord, also may be written.
In the fifth status report, dated 15 October 2024, submitted by the DIG, stroke Head of Branch, Special Crime 1 CBI, it has been stated that on the basis of the investigation conducted thus far, a charge sheet has been submitted on 7 October 2024
Yes, I'll just.
for alleged offences punishable under section 64, 66, 103, bracket 1 of the BNS 2023 against accused Sanjay Roy. Stop. The ACJM Sialda, by an order dated 7 October 2024, the ACJM Sialda has taken cognizance of the offences, and committed the case to the court of the Additional Sessions Judge, First Court, Sialda. Stop. The hearing for consideration on charge has been fixed on 4 November 2024. Next, the status report filed by the CBI indicates that further investigation into the alleged role of others in relation to the alleged rape and murder on 9 August 2024 is the subject matter of the continuing investigation.
Page 6 bottom, your lordships would find easily, my lord, what is in progress. It may not be necessary to record it, my lord, just
Yes.
for your lordships.
The CBI has also received communications pertaining to certain aspects which have been highlighted by parties appearing in the present proceedings to their counsel. Those matters are also being looked into by the CBI. Stop. Independently, full stop. The CBI has further highlighted the developments which have taken place in the course of the investigation in the case of financial irregularities in Ajikor Medical College and Hospital, which is being investigated in FIR number RC 0102 024 A 0007. Full stop. The further investigation along the lines of the further investigation, both in respect of the incident which took place on 9 August 2024 and in regards to the alleged financial irregularities, may continue. Full stop. The court shall be apprised of the further status of the investigation in that regard. The status report be hence be submitted to this court within a period of 3 weeks. Stop.
Would your lordship like to take cognizance of the affidavit filed on the progress of the task force? They are
We'd like to see what the task force has done because that's very crucial.
We have filed an affidavit, but
If you can give us,
I can give a copy. Copies are served on everyone, my lord, because this is.
Yeah, the copy.
Yeah, of course.
You have another copies?
I just let me use the God. And my lord, CBI officials are in direct touch with the parents of the deceased. And
You are meeting them and keeping them posted.
they are
okay. Both the London Solicitor General and Ms. Linda Global and Counsel have stated that the CBI has been actively in contact with the parents of the deceased.
Yes.
And have kept the parents apprised of the progress of the investigation.
Yes.
Also, my lords, I've received from them the nodal officer, which Methi has now appointed, in order to pull down any such material that may.
Any material which infringes upon the privacy of the deceased, my lord, or the family.
The Ministry of Electronics and that MIT has nominated a nodal officer who is in contact with the parents of the deceased so that any offending material which is uploaded on any electronic website can be immediately pulled down.
Please, my lords.
Instead of the website, your lordships may say any intermediary.
Yes,
Because
all
websites are not intermediary.
On any platform,
Any intermediary platform.
Intermediary platforms.
Please, my lords.
Obliged.
Page 7, Trainee. So what is the position of the task force actually?
The task force has received some suggestions. If your lordships can only come to page 8. Page 8 of my affidavit, your lordships have?
Yes.
Yes. Page 8, para 11. It is submitted that approximately 7,688 hospitals, medical establishments submitted their response.
This is on that questionnaire which was floated.
Yes, yes.
But you have now constituted 4 subgroups of the task force
Yes.
by your poem dated by your OM dated 5th of September 2024.
Correct, my lord. That
Now, between 5th of September and today, what has happened?
your lordships would find that on page 4, para 8. Last meeting was 9th of September, but para 8.
But after 9th September, what has the task force done? No meeting after 9th?
No meeting after 9th.
Then 9th,
The last meeting was
on the 15th of October.
Last meeting was 9th of September.
So why is there no progress between the 9th of October and today?
But I can request them to expedite because the secretary is only secretary to the body, my lord. But the work appears to be humongous. If your lordship sees para 8.
So we see that because they have collected data from all over the country.
That's in hundreds and thousands. For example, para 8, just read, my lord, for your consideration.
The task force must expedite the work because...
My lords are right. My lord, I bow down. 1,700 inputs and suggestions have been received so far, out of which approximately 37 associations and 1,500 individuals, including hospitals, have submitted their inputs. These inputs are being segregated and categorized for consideration of the concerned subgroups constituted under the National Task Force. And my lord, page 8, we have said, my lord, that total my lord, responses are 7,688 and 4,990 from state government and 2,436 from private sector and other categories 183. My lord, this would be a I think whatever now the task force does, it would be a long-lasting solution, it seems. Therefore, they are also taking their time, going into each of the suggestion inputs, etc.
Order of this, pursuant to the order of this court dated 20 August 2024, the Union government issued an office memorandum on 21 August 2024, constituting a national task force at the first meeting of the NTF, which was held on 27 August 2024. 4 subgroups have been constituted to engage with stakeholders and to submit and to prepare their recommendations on the following issues. A. Strengthening infrastructure of medical institutions. B. Strengthening security systems in medical institutions. C. Revamping working conditions of healthcare professionals. And D. Strengthening of legal framework across all states. A meeting of all the conveners and member secretaries of the subgroups was held on 9 September 2024. Pursuant to the directions which were issued on 22 August 2024. A web link has been created on the website of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for seeking inputs of various stakeholders. About 1,700 inputs and suggestions have been received, comprising of 37 associations and 1,500 individuals, including hospitals. Pursuant to the directions contained in the judgment dated 20 August 2024, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has shared a questionnaire to all states, stroke duties. In pursuance thereof, 7,688 hospitals, stroke medical establishments have submitted their responses. These are being evaluated by the subgroups. Presently, it appears that the National Task Force has not made any, neither the National Task Force nor the subgroups have made any substantial progress in compliance with the, in pursuant to the remit set in the orders of this court. In the order of this court, the Solicitor General has accepted that no meeting appears to have been held since the first week of September 2024. We are of the view that the Union government must make proactive efforts to complete, to ensure that the work of the task force is completed within a time schedule, within a reasonable period in the future. Full stop. Accordingly, the meetings of the task force meetings of the NTF shall be held at periodic intervals. All subgroups shall hold regular meetings so that by the next date of this court is apprised of the tentative recommendations of the NTF, including its subgroups. This exercise should preferably be completed within a period of 3 weeks. We'll give 3 weeks now for the NTF to meet and complete all its work.
Only, my lord, one factual correction. When your lordships have said that we have requested the filled up questionnaires to be sent by the state governments and UTs, my lord, kindly add central and state government hospitals also. They are also, they are the real stakeholders.
Right. Now that part is over. Now NTF, the investigation, what else now remains for today, Mr. Siban?
My lords, if we may apprise, my lords, as to what is happening on the ground. During the pujas.
First taken up, that affidavit.
The state of West Bengal?
Yes, and
Let us see your affidavit.
We received it a few minutes ago, my lords.
I have not received it yet. If
State of West Bengal affidavit, Delhi.
you have a copy and extra copy. Master,
I'm giving a copy.
if you have extra.
Yeah. It's there. Filed and circulated, Lord. Paragraph 4. The little shortfall which your lordship notices, Lord, 90%, 94, 98, no, that's on account of the work to be done in RG Car Hospital, Lord, with respect to which, Lord, we got the clearances, Lord, from the CBI on 9/10/24 and 14/10/24.
Yes, para 4, sir. At page 1
Page 2.
All other hospital is complete. I have instructions to submit, Lord, that even with regard to RG Car Medical College, the work will be completed by 31st October, Lord.
If it is articulated, then yes.
Second.
para 7, we have indicated the committees have been formed at various levels. Emergency alarms are also being set up as the meetings, dialogues happened, they desired it, that also is being done. All amount has been, finances have been sanctioned for that purpose.
Has biometric access features been installed, in the restrooms of and the critical areas?
Yes, that has been procured now, and that will also be by 31st October. We'll indicate that also has been.
So where will they be installed? The biometric facilities?
In the restrooms, duty rooms, and wherever the outsiders are not allowed to go.
Have you seen the affidavit which has been filed by the state of West Bengal?
We
It
have.
appears.
I've just received it, just received it.
My lords, I have had a chance to look through it, even though we just received it.
They have now indicated that insofar as the 28 medical colleges other than Hajikor are concerned, they've given us the statistical and breakdown. Additional demands were placed in for 893 duty rooms in see page 2 and 3. They've given us the breakup of duty rooms, washrooms, lighting arrangements, and CCTV installations, where almost 90, some cases 98% or 90% of the work is done, and they are anticipating that will be completed the latest by the 25th of October. For Ajikor also, they have said that they will complete the entire work by 25th of October.
31st.
My lords, many of our doctors are government doctors. They are in these hospitals. We have checked with them before, and we have also confirmed after this affidavit arrived, because they are all, watching and available. And nowhere near this level, some beginning has been made, but nowhere near this level of work has been done. And my lords, we do have documents that we have placed on record. Could we pass it over, Master Sir? That demonstrate perhaps the reason why. And the reason why, my lords, may see at PDF, I beg your pardon, my lords, at, please hand over.
We have annexed photographs and
Page 61, my lords. They've all been served, but whatever copies we have can be handed over, please.
Then you can.
It's all been served 2 days.
Apart from the statistical details, the budgetary outlays, they've also provided photographs in Annexure A to the work which is being carried out.
Constantly in touch with the doctors associations and committees formed, and so they are inspecting their. This can be verified only in the spot.
My lords, if I may just point out, and then of course, there will be a response. My lords, at page 59, for example.
Of their affidavit.
No, 59 of the application that I have handed over. If my lords may look at, that is where the document begins. At page 60, or rather page 59, the bottom of page 59, it says that administrative approval is for 3,35,56,714 only. For example, this is the name of the project is Supply, Installation, Testing and Commissioning of CCTV Surveillance System and Allied Infrastructure for the NRS Medical College and Hospital at AJC Bose Road, Kolkata. Now, my lords may see that the amount.
There are 300 AFS which have been
If I may just finish. The amount is ₹1 for 2024-2025. And for 2025-2026, the amount is 3,35,56,713. This is not an isolated document, my lords. My lords may have the next page.
Why we said for 24-25 that the budget is ₹1?
There are about 8.
Yes, yes.
And these are their documents.
Yes.
There are 300 plus such works which have been sanctioned by us. Total cost 300, like this AFS is nothing, it stands for Administrative Approval and Financial Sanctions. There are 300 such works have been sanctioned. Each bear somewhere it will bear 56 lakhs, somewhere it will 3 crores. Sum total of all that stands today at 123 crores. Since this work was given to us on, suddenly this work has come, so the budgets towards the end of the year, it is reappropriated. So I have that power to reappropriate from one head to another. So it will, for a software system, it will say 24, 25 rupees one or something. But as the work progresses, we reappropriate and pay the money. Works are on, contractors have worked, and they will also be paid, sir.
Anyway.
As a shagun, madam. 1 rupee usually.
No, but why don't you?
Exactly, Shagun, my lord.
But ultimately, look, they have disclosed data. They have also indicated through photographs what is the nature of the work which is being carried out. We can't merely ignore what they have said on affidavit, because they've said that on affidavit. At the most, we can say that, look, let this be verified. We can ask somebody to verify what is the nature of the work which has been done. That's
Right now, Bengal is the only state.
My lord, perhaps a local commissioner could be appointed or something. I mean, we are being told by our 25,000 doctors that the work is not being done at this scale. Who's that? It's not the point.